The Carmona College of Business at SVSU is first. First for investing in future generations. First for educating talent. First for leading quality education.
SVSU is first for supply chain management.
It's first for marketing.
It's first for economics.
It's first for finance.
It's first for management.
It's first for accounting.
SVSU is first for management because my professors have real work experience in their field. This makes for more engaging lectures that are relevant in today's business climate.
SVSU is among 5% of business schools worldwide accredited by the AACSB.
SVSU is first for finance because I will now have access to a Bloomberg trading room where I will get hands-on experience with the global markets.
Our MBA program is listed among the Princeton Review's top 300 business programs in the world.
SVSU is first for economics because of my exceptional internships, summer seminars, and research opportunities.
Over 1,100 students enrolled in the Carmona College of Business.
SVSU is first for marketing because of the data analytics software training, which has helped me in my internship at Hemlock Semiconductor.
95% of business students complete experiential learning activities prior to graduation.
SVSU is first for supply chain management because in class, I learned how to use enterprise resource planning software such as SAP, an industry standard used by businesses all around the world.
We are first for business.
SVSU is first for accounting because the faculty help open up opportunities with regional businesses and they teach technical skills you can use in the accounting world.
We empower.
We integrate.
We trend.
We invest.
We inform.
We thrive.